Now I'm back with this teddy bear Popit. It's blue. This is one of my first ever Popits. I had it for like a few months. That's when I got into like fidgets. So let's pop. This is the not so good side. But it's actually super soft. So now there's a good side. Well, this is my, one of my first. I also have another one. I traded it with my friend. She gave me another, wait, never mind. I gifted it to my friend because it was her birthday. And then me and my best friend have traded fidgets. Gave her a dimple. She gave me, another Among Us Popit. It's loud on both sides, so I think it was fair. Okay, now I'm going to show you another one.